Hello students. Today we are going to learn the value of trigonometric ratios for some specific angles. So students, trigonometric ratios of some specific angles. First of all, we are going to find out the value of trigonometric ratios for angle 30 and 60 degree. Trigonometric ratios of angle of 30 degree and 60 degree. So how can we find out these values? For this student, we have to draw an equilateral triangle ABC and we have to suppose AB equal to BC equal to AC equal to X. As we know that all three sides are equal in equilateral triangle. So students, here let ABC be an equilateral triangle of side X units. Angle A equals to angle B equal to angle C equal to 60 degree. Each angle of equilateral triangle is 60 degree student. So angle A equal to angle B equal to angle C equal to 60 degree. And we know that all sides are equal. So I have written here AB equal to BC equal to AC equal to X units. So ABX, BCX and AC also X. Correct? All sides of equilateral triangle are equal. Now students, we have draw perpendicular BD on AC. Correct? We know that in equilateral triangle, perpendicular bisect the base. So BD bisect AC. Okay? So BD bisect AC in equilateral triangle, perpendicular bisect the base and also bisect the angles. So we can write AD equals to DC equal to X by 2 and angle ABD equals to angle CBD equal to 30 degree. Okay students? Or you can do one thing, you can congruent these two triangles. Okay, then you can write this angle equal to this 30 degree and AD equal to DC equal to X by 2. Or if you want to write directly like this, so you can write, correct? So AD equal to DC equal to X by 2 units. Angle ABD equals to angle CBD equal to 30 degree. Now students, you can see in triangle ADB, angle D equals to 90 degree. AB is X, AD is X by 2. To calculate BD, we can use Pythagoras theorem. So, in triangle ADB, angle B 90 degree, using Pythagoras theorem, H square equals to P square plus B square. Student, you can see here, H is AB, perpendicular is BD and base is AD. So, we can write AB square equals to BD square plus AD square. AB square equals to BD square plus AD square. Now we have to put values. AB x square, AD x by 2. So AB x square, BD is not given to us. We have to find out BD. AD is x by 2. X by 2 is square. So now it is x square minus x square by 4. Correct? So x square by 4 will come this side, become negative. Let us take LCM, 4. So 4x square minus x square, 3x square by 4 equals to BD square. Therefore BD equals to root 3x square by 4. So 3 square root cannot be obtained. So root 3 x square root is x and 4 square root is 2. So BD equals to root 3x by 2 units. Now in triangle ADB, student, angle A equal to 60 degree. So student, this is right angle triangle. So we can find out the value of trigonometric ratios. we have got all three sides. So for angle 60, let us find out values of all trigonometric ratios. So first I am going to take sin theta. Sin theta equals to P upon H. So for sin 60 degree, student, AD will be base and BD will be perpendicular. AB is hypotenuse. So perpendicular upon hypotenuse means BD upon AB. So BD upon AB. BD is root 3x by 2. AB x. X's cancel. Answer is root 3 by 2. Means sin 60 degree value is root 3 by 2. Now students, in same triangle ADB, we are going to find out cos theta. Cos theta equals to B upon H. So for 60 degree, student, AD is base and AB is hypotenuse. So x by 2 upon x. AD upon DB. So student, x by 2 upon x. X is cancel, 1 by 2. Okay student. Now students, tan theta. Tan theta equal to P upon B. So tan 60 equal to BD upon AD. Or 60, perpendicular is BD and base is AD. So BD upon AD. BD is root 3x by 2. AD is x by 2. X by 2 cancel, root 3. So tan 60 value is root 3. Now students, cot theta equals to B upon P. So for 60 degree angle, cot 60, B upon P, B is AD, perpendicular is BD. So AD upon BD, AD x by 2, BD root 3 x by 2, x by 2 cancel, 1 upon root 3. Cot 60 value is 1 upon root 3. Now students, sec theta equal to H upon B. For 60 degree, student, this is 60 degree. Okay, H name AB and base name AD. X upon x by 2, student. So it will become 2x upon x. X cancel, 2. Sec 60 value is 2. Correct. Now cosec, student. So cosec theta equals to H upon B. Okay. So cosec 60 for 60 degree, H value AB and perpendicular name BD. AB upon BD. AB is x and BD is root 3x by 2. So it will become 2x upon root 3x. X cancel, 2 upon root 3. This is the value of cosec 60 degree. So student, you have seen here how can you find out the value of all trigonometric ratios for the angle 60 degree. Now students, we can also find the value of 30 degree. So in the same triangle, student, we are going to take this angle. It means BD will be base. Remember student, for this angle, BD will become base and AD is perpendicular. Hypotenuse will remain same. Hypotenuse never change. Okay. So for angle 30 degree, BD is base, AD is perpendicular and AB is hypotenuse. Okay student. So let us find out value of sin 30. We know that P upon H. So for 30 degree, perpendicular is AD, hypotenuse AB. So AD upon AB. AD upon AB. AD is x by 2 and AB is x. So it will be x upon 2x. X cancel. Sin 30 value 1 upon 2. Now students, for cos 30, we know that cos theta equals to B upon H. So for 30 degree, base is BD. So BD upon AB. So BD upon AB, BD is root 3x by 2, AB is x. So it will become root 3x upon 2x. X cancel, 1 upon root 3 upon 2. Now students, tan 30. We know that tan theta equals to P upon B. So for 30 degree, perpendicular is AD, base is BD, AD upon BD, AD upon BD, AD is x by 2, BD is root 3x by 2, 2 cancel, x upon root 3x, x cancel, the value of tan 30, 1 upon root 3. Now student for cot theta, cot 30, cot theta equals to B upon P. So this is the cot 30. So for 30 degree base is BD and perpendicular is AD. So BD upon AD for cot. So cot theta equals to BD upon AD. Cot 30 degree equals to BD upon AD. BD value root 3 x by 2 and AD value x by 2, x by 2, x by 2 cancel, root 3. Cot 30 value is root 3. Now student sec theta, we know that sec theta equals to h upon b. So for 30 degree student, base is hypotenuse is AB and base is BD. AB upon BD. So sec 30, AB upon BD, AB is x, BD is root 3x by 2. So it will become 2x upon root 3x, x cancel, sec 30 equals to 2 upon root 3. Now student cosec theta. Cosec theta we know that h upon p. So for 30 degree student, hypotenuse is AB and perpendicular is AD. So cosec 30 equals to AB upon AD. Okay students, AB x, AD x by 2, x's cancel 2. Cosec 30 value is 2. So by the help of this diagram student, equilateral triangle, we can easily find out the value of all trigonometric ratios for the angle 60 degree and the 30 degree. So this is the method of finding the value of all trigonometric ratios for 60 degree and 30 degree. Okay students, so learn these values, okay, and solve it again in your homework copy. Okay then.